She did her first wholesale deal in November and did not get paid. Here's how to avoid this. So guys, this one hurts. I saw this in a Facebook group the other day where this person said she'd been trying to wholesale for 2 years, finally got her first deal done in November, and didn't get a dime. So she goes on in the comments to explain that her and a partner were due to split a $15,000 assignment fee on a deal where she brought the buyer to the table. And yes, she even had a joint venture contract signed. So at this point, the comment section is going crazy and blowing up, and people are complaining about how nobody does good business anymore and how there's so many snakes in the game and they need to get out. And here's my take. One, yeah, there are snakes in the game, but guys, they're dishonest people in any business. So I really want to encourage you to not let the bad apples deter you from wholesaling. I do joint venture deals every single month, and I've had overwhelmingly positive relationships with a lot of other wholesalers. But with that being said, you do have to protect yourself. So to that end, she did a really good job by signing a joint venture agreement. You absolutely have to get everything in writing. But where she dropped the ball is by being hands off once the contract was signed. Now, once you have your JV contract signed, you now have equitable interest in the deal. That means you're privy to everything pertaining to the closing, and you need to stay involved. I mean, call the title company, explain who you are in the deal and what's going on. Make sure they have a copy of your JV agreement and confirm. Make phone calls, send emails, ask for updates, request to be CC'd on all email correspondence. Get to know the person handling your file and make sure you get a copy of the preliminary HUD statement prior to closing. Make sure the title company has your wire information to pay you. Review the final HUD statement and your payout before the deal closes. This lack of communication in this case was a lesson that cost her $7,500. And yes, it's very easy to say, well, someone else did her dirty. And I'm not defending or denying that that was wrong. That's very, very wrong. But that's also having a victim mentality. And when you have that victim mentality, it means you're powerless. It means there's nothing you can do. So instead, she's got to own that situation as being her own fault. Only by owning it and learning from it can she make sure that she is never in this position again. Now, I hate to see it happen, but I hope you guys take this lesson. And if you need a copy of a JV agreement to ensure that you are never in a similar situation, just comment or DM me the words JV contract. Also, if you want to JV with me on some deals, that'd be great. I got a lot of buyers, easy for me to sell them. But either way, if you want that contract, DM me just JV, and I'll be happy to shoot you a copy.